can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Stay tuned to learn why you should start incorporating them into your meals today. Benefits of black-eyed peas. Checkmark rich in fiber, supports digestion and gut health. Checkmark excellent source of protein, ideal for muscle growth and repair. Checkmark heart healthy, helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Checkmark regulates blood sugar, a great choice for diabetics. Checkmark packed with essential nutrients, loaded with vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, and potassium. Checkmark supports weight management, keeps you full for longer. Summary. Black-eyed peas are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits that can enhance your daily diet. From promoting heart health to aiding digestion, these legumes are a must-have for a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Try adding them to soups, salads, or stews for a delicious and nutritious boost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you like to prepare black-eyed peas?